Hello, little learners. Welcome to Homeschool Channel. Learn with Omer. Let's learn and have fun.
I love learning hot and cold. I love learning hot and cold. This cocoa is hot. This cocoa is hot. This water is cold. This water is cold. Hot and cold are opposites. Hot and cold are opposites. The sun feels hot.
The
Sun feels hot. The snow feels cold. The snow feels cold. This soup is hot. This soup is hot. This ice cream is cold. This ice cream is cold. I blow on my hot soup.
The cold ice cream makes me shiver.
The
Cold ice cream makes me shiv-er.
The radiator feels hot.
The
radiator feels hot. The window feels cold. The window feels cold. This blanket feels warm. This blanket feels warm. This ice cube feels cold. This ice cube feels cold. The blanket keeps me warm. The blanket keeps me warm. A desert is very hot. A desert is very hot. A mountain can be very cold. A mountain can be very cold. The tea is very hot. The tea is very hot. The soda is very cold. The soda is very cold. I see steam from the hot tea. I see steam from the hot tea. I see drops on the cold can. I see drops on the cold can. The oven is very hot. The oven is very hot. The refrigerator is very cold. The refrigerator is very cold. I stay away from hot things. I stay away from hot things. I take a cold apple out. I take a cold apple out. It is very hot outside today. It is very hot outside today. It is very cold outside today. It is very cold outside today. Cold lemonade tastes so good. Cold lemonade tastes so good. Hot chocolate tastes so good too. Hot chocolate tastes so good too. The candle flame is hot. The candle flame is hot. The snow in the bowl is cold. Whoa! The snow in the bowl is cold. I do not touch the hot flame. I do not touch the hot flame. A volcano has hot lava. A volcano has hot lava. The North Pole is very cold. The North Pole is very cold. I feel cold in the winter. I feel cold in the winter. I wear a hat on hot days. I wear a hat on hot days. I wear mittens on cold days. I wear mittens on cold days. The cold snow feels wet. The cold snow feels wet. I drink cold water when I feel hot. I drink cold water when I feel hot. I drink warm soup when I feel cold. I drink warm soup when I feel cold. The iron is very hot. The iron is very hot. The doorknob feels cold. The doorknob feels cold. I am careful with hot things. I am careful with hot things. I rub my hands to feel warm. I rub my hands to feel warm. The pond is frozen and cold. The dot pond is frozen and cold. I warm my hands by the fire. I warm my hands by the fire. I feel cold in the winter. I feel cold in the winter. The cookies are hot from the oven. The cookies are hot from the oven. The milk is very cold. The milk is very cold. I wait for the cookies to cool. I wait for the cookies to cool. I dip my cookie in cold milk. I dip my cookie in cold milk. This warm cookie tastes great. This warm cookie tastes great. The thermometer shows it is hot.
The
Thermometer dot shows it is hot. The thermometer shows it is cold. The thermometer dot shows it is cold. The thermometer tells us the temperature. The thermometer tells us the temperature. I wear light clothes on hot days. I wear light clothes on hot days. I wear a warm coat on cold days. I wear a warm coat on cold days. I sit near the heater to feel warm. I sit near the heater to feel warm. I use a fan to feel cool. I use a fan to feel cool. I learned so much about hot and cold. I learned so much about hot and cold. Hot means very warm. Hot. Hot means very warm. Cold means very chilly. Cold means very chilly. I know the difference now. I know the difference dot now. I feel cozy and warm now. I feel cozy and warm now. Hot and cold help me every day. Hot and dot cold help me. EVERY dot day. You can learn hot and cold too. You can learn hot and cold too. I love learning hot and cold words. I love learning hot and cold words.
Thanks for learning with Omer. Please like and subscribe. Click the button below.